Today I'm going to share with you some tips to help you get started on your journey to financial freedom. Hi, I'm Joy, and my family and I were able to get out of over $50,000 in debt by God's. Here are some tips that can help you get started to get rid of your debt today. Create a budget. Creating a budget is so important if you want to get out of debt because you know exactly where your money is going every single month. If you don't know where to start, feel free to check out my video on how to budget for beginners. But essentially, you're going to want to know where every dollar is going so you can know what you can readjust in order to apply to your debt. Be tracking your expenses. This is especially true if you're new to budgeting and you don't know exactly where your money is going yet. For at least a month or 3, just to get a rough idea of exactly what you can cut off in order to increase your money to put into the debt. When you know better, you do better. So don't judge yourself too harshly. Every day we're making progress to become better versions of ourselves. So just be kind to yourself. Notice what you are spending and what you can cut off and start from there. Hey, just the fact that you're even watching this video shows that you really do want to improve your finances. So good job. Everybody has a past and these are taking steps towards your financial freedom. So way to go. I'm so proud of you. Once you identify what you have been spending, you can now begin to cut off your expenses. Check out those expenses that are not exactly needed and begin to cut them off. Once you begin to identify these items and cut them off, you can apply all of this newfound money towards your debt. That is an easy way to help you get out of debt much faster without breaking a sweat or changing much of what you do. Just remember that it's not forever that we're stopping this item. It's only for a moment as we get out of debt. Once we begin to get out of debt, now we can go back to doing the things that we enjoy. But for the meantime, it's just a little sacrifice we're making that will get us to the financial freedom in the long run. So it'll be well worth it. Once you cut off your unnecessary spending, now you can begin to prioritize the necessary spending. So first you're going to want to make sure you have food for your family to eat and also that your bills are covered. Be sure that the things that will affect your family directly are being covered first. And then go down the list of priorities so that you can be able to maximize the money to throw into the debt. This is a good way to make sure you won't go into debt again because your more pressing items are covered first, and then as we go down the list of the priorities, hopefully those are less important things that can wait a little bit. Okay, so another thing you're going to want to do to be able to get out of debt is make extra money. If you can, make a little bit of extra money by finding some online side hustles, or if you have a little bit more time or older children, you can do hustles outside the home, such as driving for DoorDash or other things like that. Look on the internet, there is a ton of free resources that you can use in order to find out what side hustles you can use. I personally use things such as Eureka and user testing to help supplement my family's income a little bit since I'm not yet monetized on this platform. Though you can help change that by subscribing to the channel and sharing this video if you did find it useful. But these are just some platforms that you can sign up for to make a little bit of money today. I will link them down below if you're interested. So be sure to check out those resources. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do to get out of debt is cut your credit cards. That's right. I do follow the Dave Ramsey plan, so of course I had to mention it. Get those credit cards, grab a scissors, and snip, snip, snip. Do it right now. Come on, I'll wait. This one can help you get out of debt because there is no temptation to swipe again. The credit card will not exist anymore. If you have a shredder, go and shred it. Otherwise, cut it to bits. You will not regret this because you don't have it anymore and you cannot fall back on it as a crutch. That will propel you forward to financial freedom. My family and I don't regret it, and we were able to, by God's grace, get out of over $50,000 in debt with one income by using this method. So please, go get your credit cards and cut them right now. What is stopping you? What do you feel that you need in order to get rid of the credit card? If you want more information on this, check out the Dave Ramsey system. It did help my family and I a lot. But this is just a bonus tip that you can do to help you to get out of debt much faster. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do to help you get out of debt much faster is reduce food costs. I know that inflation is super crazy right now, but if you use some practical tips, you can absolutely help to reduce your food costs. And if you want to know exactly how to do that, check out this video right here where I talk about what my family and I did to reduce our grocery budget by $1,200 every single month. And yes, this is now during the inflation time. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.